Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. This video covers how to join Classroom as a co-teacher. In this video, I will be sharing two methods, two ways through which you can join Classroom. First is you can join from Google Classroom on mobile, and second method is you can join Classroom as a co-teacher through invite link from Gmail. So there are two methods you can use to join Classroom as a co-teacher. Now let's understand the first method. For this, open your Classroom. When you open your Classroom, you will find two options to join the class as a co-teacher. First is accept and second is decline. Click on accept button to accept and join the Classroom as co-teacher. So when you click accept, you will be able to join the Classroom. After joining the class, you can view announcement, classwork and people in the classroom. When you click on the people, you can see teachers. There are two teachers and below are the students in the classroom. So this is the first method you can join. Now let's understand the second method. Second method is using the mail option. So now let's move on to the Gmail. So when you open your Gmail, you will find mail. Open the mail and click on the join option. So after clicking on join option, you will be a co-teacher in the classroom. So similar way, you can view announcement, you can see the stream, all the announcement on the stream. You can view classwork and people in the classroom. Hit the red subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.